Last week, when we talked about the 7 movements of dance, we talked about the term tourner, or to turn. Turns are a family in tap. There are so many options, again, that you're able to turn with. You can turn buffaloes, maxi forwards. We can practice our chaîné turns in this realm as well. You can do pullbacks. You can add turns to so many things. To take that even further, you can do stationary turns. You can travel with turns. You can do them at different angles. You can do them when you leave the floor and you turn in the air. Turns can go en dedans, en dehors. They can be done parallel or turned out. They can be done facing your audience. They can be done traveling at different angles. The term turn can be, like I said, added on to a whole number of steps once you've learned the foundation of them. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about our final family of the week. I will see you then.